Today I am going to show you how to make an electric car. We need the following materials to make an electric car: glue gun, AA battery holder, motor, wheels, stick, wire, straw, switch. I am going to connect the red wire to the motor, AA battery holder. I am going to connect the black wire to the switch. I am going to connect this wire to the motor and the switch. Now I am going to connect the black wire to the motor. Now I am going to connect the AA battery holder with the AA battery. Now I am going to stick the motor. Now I am going to fix the switch. Now the car is ready. I have made a working model of an electric car. I made this car to focus on the importance of electric vehicles for future. When we have vehicles running on fossil fuel, why should we go for electric vehicles? In order to avoid the depletion of natural resources and to maintain an ecological balance, we need to go for it. These eco-friendly vehicles have become much more common today than they 10 years ago. How and why? Because automobiles affect the environment in many ways. The vehicles that we use is the major cause of global warming. Cars leave more CO2 and pollute the air. Electric vehicles can reduce greenhouse gas emission. Electric cars are 100% eco-friendly and run with power engines. It does not emit toxic gases or smoke in the environment as they run on clean power source. If we use electric cars, we can reduce carbon footprint.
Like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.